Yeah. Alright. I'll just go through this, I'll stop.
Don't fucking stop.
I said I'll just go through this and stop. Hey. Phil taking his glasses off and I lost front, that was all. Go straight down. Or do you want to go to?
Stopping on trails.
We're just going to have to follow it now, aren't we?
That was a good one, wasn't it?
Yeah.
What happened?
I just lost front on a rock.
Oh, through that.
Yeah.
It's getting slight now. Left.
Left?
Fast one, yeah, go on, go on.
We know that takes us, don't we?
Calf. It's a fast one, this.
Yeah.